Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to DIY Craft. So in this video I just create some green eye look. So first of all I use some sticky note, this is just one sticky note as an eyeshadow card. As we know, eyeshadow card is so many expensive than this sticky note. So I chose the cheap one. And after this I am applying some eyeshadow base, and this is from Wet n Wild eyeshadow base, and then I'm not setting it with any powder, but I'm applying green, not green, that's I think yellow color from Juvias Bliss palette. And after yellow I use green eyeshadow with this pencil brush, and I applied it outer corner and in the inner corner, and some of the for the false lid. And I'm trying to blend the harsh line between green and yellow with this small pencil brush, but I think it's not blended perfectly. And then I just use a blending brush from Morphe to blending the harsh line between green and yellow color. And then after this I use the foundation. I'm not using concealer because I think concealer is too no, I don't understand the concealer, but I think concealer is too hard to create this cut crease. After that I apply a green shimmery color to my cut crease. And after this I took some green color to soften the harsh line between green and green shimmery color in this video. And for the last line I use a purple eyeshadow and a scooter matic house, I think. So it's time to apply some highlighter, and I use highlighter from Zulu. I think I'm not a pro from using the highlighter because let's see, my face is be a square wheel. And then I apply the highlighter in my brow bone and my inner corner. After the highlighter, of course, I will using the eyeliner. After the eyeliner, maybe I put some purple eyeshadow in my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna use some falsies, and here's my final look. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.